Nestled in a coveted neighborhood, this charming home is just a stone's throw from the picturesque Lake Oswego Canal and walking bridge. Located on a tranquil cul-de-sac, it's just steps away from a private pool and an easy walk to Westridge Elementary, parks, and much more. Offering both comfort and convenience, this home is beautifully appointed with vaulted beam ceilings, new flooring, fresh paint, 3 inviting fireplaces, and tons of natural light. Take in amazing views from your deck while enjoying your morning coffee or tea. The kitchen exudes charm with its bright cabinetry, quality craftsmanship, and breakfast bar seating. It opens to the dining nook with French doors to the backyard and a quaint fireplace. You can relax and unwind in the main level primary suite, complete with a spacious primary bath and a walk-in closet. You'll find another bedroom and a full guest bath on this main level. Downstairs, the generous bonus room with another fireplace is ready for evening hangouts or entertaining. You'll also find 2 additional bedrooms, extra storage, and another full bath in this 4-bedroom home of more than 2,500 square feet. Your private backyard is a true wooded oasis with an expansive deck ready for hosting gatherings and enjoying the outdoors. Convenience is key in this neighborhood with a private pool limited only to Blue Heron members. Plus, enjoy Lake Grove Swim Park access. Every day can be a delightful adventure, and you will absolutely love living in Lake Oswego's Blue Heron. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.